All right, day 4. Heading up the creek early this morning, then we're going to do a little bit of offshore. We've had a fair bit of rain, which has cooked most of the creeks. Apparently the Sambai is dirty. That's one of the big fish creeks that I really like. The side next to it's maybe clean. That's the one we fished yesterday for a bit. We got that bigger fish in. Pandy, dirty. Langa Langa should be clean, so we're going to split the boats in between them two creeks. But yeah, we're just going to grind it out for a bass in the morning, the good hours, and then we're going to shoot out offshore and see what happens out there, I suppose. But yeah, let's go and try and have fun, put a few fish in the boat. That's pretty much the main goal. Fingers crossed we can get a few bass early and stay in the creeks, but yeah, it's all going to depend on that water clarity, I guess. So jump in the boat and we'll go and see how we go. And that light's just at a really weird angle to judge distance, eh?
Yeah, I just thought I was going to cast into that snag and I pulled it up. It was like a 4 metre short.
That was out of sympathy, mate.
Sometimes you run that excuse, mate.
I'll run it all day. What's that underwater? It's not a crockhead, is it? No. It does, eh? Oh, I got a fish. It's a cod. Oh my, is that a crockhead? Yuck. Only place in the world you can catch these, eh?
Yeah. Just here in New Britain or yeah.
I feel like it's going to happen though. It's a cod. It's in the snag. I've got a cod and a tree. I'm already doing better than yesterday. That was the smallest bite. That's not a bass. Ah.
They eat them, Chris, or that shit? Oh, they eat them.
Yeah. See you, mate. Yeah, I got one yesterday all day, so I'm already doing better than yesterday. I did say in the group too, like casting's going to be critical. Yeah. So, but nothing can prepare you for it. You don't realise like how intense like some of this casting is. Yeah, I'll be good.
Yeah, close to that tree fucking 3 times, I'm right.
Yeah, good to go.
I think we had about 4 practice casts on it, we're good.
Yeah.
Doesn't prepare you for getting underneath the palm from.
Nah. That's exactly it. Cast it straight up the guts of that because there's a bit of snag all the way through. Yeah. We've casted it many times but not caught anything yet, but today's the day, mate. Beautiful water and everything. This is the best. Yeah, I was hoping to sort of get one nice and deep to come over it because I didn't touch it just a second ago.
Yeah, I missed one there the other day.
Oh yeah? Yeah, just a little, I'll show you this little trick. I can use this one at home. Oh, fuck, now I got it too. No, I got him. Got him back. Yeah, I'll show you. So pass me a line, just a line. This is way more effective than flicking your rod tip. There you go, I got it. Just pull it back and then let it go, and it sort of it does that little tumble. And the bass won't bite, and so. Yeah.
Been out here for a while, by the looks of it.
No, he's been here for a while, all right. Can you get to it? Try and cast close to it. Not that close. It's such a narrow little thing. How does anyone fit in that? Seen the better days and they're like, yeah, we'll get a new one. No fish. We'll try and outwind him. Oh, there's a bigger fish.
Rainbow run.
Triggerfish?
Yeah, there's a heap of different shit in here.
I'm looking for a sail.
You reckon?
Triggerfish.
Oh, I thought they come to here on the board, then.
I'm looking for the sail. There'll be a sail here, I'm sure of it. Man, we had sails the other day. They're full sail out of the water, like 2 of them. Like,
Yeah, I'd like to think that.
fuck, it was cool.
I've never seen a dolphin out of the water.
Shit day to go offshore, eh?
I think it's a fucking good day here all the time, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm just going to do this in a big, like 50 kilo yellowfin's just going to smoke me and empty my reel, isn't it?
What did you get on the other day?
This.
Yeah.
Little stickies. I reckon if we just wait, we know there's bait here. And at the minute they're scared of them.
I'm over here.
Yeah, they're scared of them. Here we go. Was that a sail on that side? Yep.
Yeah.
Sailfish.
This camera on?
I will put it on as soon as I get closer. There's 2.
Yeah, right there.
Fuck. He was going that. Oh, there's heaps of them.
Oh, crap!
Oh, no way. No way.
He's after camera?
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah,
He likes that.
he just about ate that at the boat. You see that?
There's about 4 or 5 of them. Look, there's another one there. Oh, he wants yours. He wants a skirt. You let him eat it. Come on.
He's on line again. Come on, come on.
Keep him there. Oh, shit.
There's 3 of them.
3?
A mullen down there.
Is there a marlin too?
Big mullen.
Good morning, slow. It seemed like a bit slow, eh?
Want a yellowfin? I'll give you a yellowfin. He didn't want it. You got him? Swap your spots. I don't like soft plastics. Go down the back, go down the back. He's gonna go around. Watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh no. Oh no. Where's the sail? Where's the sail? It's got to be a sailfish here. Wow. That was hectic, eh? I didn't even get a bite. No, they didn't want this. Us.
Yep.
We on triple? Do it. Better be quick. Oh, what? Did my lure just fall out of his mouth? Yep. How did I lose that?
What's wrong, boy?
No, look here. Oh, it fell out. Wow. I lost 2 from 2. Triple.
Turn up! How you find it in blood?
Oh, I think I got sharked, eh? That was taking off way too fast. Oh, Oh no, I reckon my leader knot got eaten. I think they ate my knot.
Me too.
Look at the big one. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Finish on the lure. You put the white one.
Last man standing.
Put the lure.
I reckon my leader knot got eaten then. It's too much.
Fucking shark.
Shark? Oh mate, yeah, I think I got sharked. It took off way too hard.
Maybe I did too.
Maybe yours is a shark too. Yep, that's a shark.
Don't fall in.
Bring it in very fast. Oh, it's very hook up.
Oh, look at all the bait coming in for some protection.
Yours is a shark.
Is that? I want to try a leader knot, but there's too much happening.
Oh, this little riddle. Yeah, look at all the sharks in here.
Oh yeah, look at them all down deep. Uh-oh. Oh, he's coming. He got it.
Shark me.
He got it. He ate the wrong tuna.
You're a fucking big one.
He ate the wrong tuna. Oh my gosh, it is a big one.
Oh my God.
Yeah, drop the rod and get some line.
Oh.
Just watch that rod. Watch that rod. This is where it goes. Drop it down to first and get a line.
That's a big one.
Yeah, mate. Oh no.
Right at the
Is
back.
he still on? No.
No.
Sorry, Ricard. Surely that's a warranty.
You represent them?
Nope. Oh, they're bigger ones. Yep. So you test out a prototype rod. That'll do. And you get rid of the dead soldier.
Carry him off the battlefield.
Come on. Don't you go down. Yeah, I haven't given him much.
Put that skirt back on there.
Come on. Come on, here he comes. Come up a bit. Head up. Head up. Oh, he's a good fish. On a prototype rod too. Oh, he's a very nice one. Let's see if we can tail grab him so he's not cooked for the photo. No. That'll do. Free spool. Oh. Watch your single hook. It's only single. Oh. Wow, bruh. I knocked him over quick too. 20 kilo fish.
You're just going to take a still off this video, are you?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Stop. Oh. Yeah. Nice. That's how you test out the new rod. Let's get rid of him before he pisses blood everywhere. Here you go, mate. That's too big a shell opening. Yeah, yeah. Let's go catch a black bass.
Yeah, I think we'll turn it out now.
All right, I'll do it again. Coming under you. Doubles. Oh no, what, I just lost him and got another one.
The boat is right. It's not the engine.
After all that work. Oh, there's a shark coming. Shark coming. Get him. Okay, this time. Yeah, boy. Yeah. I don't need a photo of this one. Kill him. Sashimi. Oh my gosh. It's a funny looking bass. Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh wow.
You want to go catch a big doggy after that, eh?
Yeah, Brad. I'll need a little adrenaline. Far out. That one absolutely cooked me. Cheers, mate. Feel it. We're gonna get a good one. Oh, I have one beer and my casting's on point. Nah, I have two. Goes sideways. I already know this. Casting full. Look at that. Snag looks beautiful. Oh.
Got that?
Yep, I got that one. Good cast, mate. Good recovery.
Fishing.
What are them fish in front of the snag? Are they bass? It's a whole school of bass, isn't it? There was like 6 black fish in front of the snag, all this size. Go under. I reckon they were all bass.
So can't think of much else that would be up here.
Nah, I wonder if the camera picked that up. And for him to be milling around in a school like that, it's not a very good sign. Just relaxing.
So you only need one recharge up.
Yep, that's the one I'm fishing for. I get smoked by the alpha when you can just land the retardo.
It's like going picking up women at a bar, eh?
Yep, take the fat one, mate. You don't have to play games. Yeah, Trevally, I can see him. Oh, I can see 5, 6, 7 black bass there. All, yeah, all black bass. What do we need to do to catch them? Look at them all in the middle behind the boat. Wow, all black bass. What are they doing? How do we catch them? Small lure, eh? I reckon they've followed us. Look at them, even the big ones right behind them. There's heaps, there's like 20 of them there. The line touches the water and they spook.
Yeah.
I've never seen them do that. Just waiting for the whitebait, eh?
Yeah.
So there was like 6 or 8 down, there's another 10 back there. And then look, there's still some here.
How you go with like a fucking drunken mullet or something?
Look at them all in that snag. Look here, out on the end of it now.
Yeah, nice little spotty.
Yeah.
Start the afternoon session off. Sweet. Titan diver should come straight out of his mouth.
Oh, playing up. Yeah, lad. Spot tail. Nice one.
Sweet.
Go away. Ready?
Yeah, another nice one for the afternoon session. Nice. Late afternoon cod for chook. Nice.
Pretty little spotty.
DS100 again.
How cool is that?
Yeah, Brandon walk the dog, Brandon, not going for deep diver. Rain's good for him.
Oh, you see that mullet in the middle get smashed? I got cracked at the same time.
See that? What do you got, the 100 mil?
100 mil Reddick. Yeah, just high rod tip, lots of little twitches. Wow, it's carnage, isn't it? Oh, that rain is so refreshing, wow.
What's that pressure doing, Mick?
Same, 10-13 still. 36.6 degrees, bro.
I thought it was that hot.
Yep, black bass. Or was it a cod?
No, it was black, but I saw the bag.
Come on.
Oh, you just had a stonker swipe on your lure at the boat.
What was it? Bass?
I think so. It was like 700 long.
Mm,
Yes, look, there's the swell of it just coming up now.
I wasn't even looking. I think the camera might have got it. Oh. Put one on for Ivy. They're going to go off up against that palm frond.
Oh, that was a back day, that.
Yep.
I got used to that. Oh, fucking that up. We're on things.
You need a lure with white and red. This is proper carnage.